Hey, it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another haul. And I know you guys been waiting for hauls. So this is my second haul from Princess Polly. I kept calling it Polly Princess. My bad, PP. As you guys know, with these kind of shops, it's always a hit or a miss. Sometimes PP overprices their items for clothes you can find on like Shein. Anyway, they're so captivating when it comes to modeling the clothes they have, especially on their social medias. If you know, you know. But I, a 5-foot mid-sized Asian, I get very curious about how it'll fit on me. I'm not her. Don't get me wrong, all the models are gorgeous, but as I say all the time in my videos, I don't have that typical standard ideal body shape. Instead, this is I. So we're gonna try. Oh, rhymes. So I'm just gonna be real. All these American Girl dolls representing these clothes, I felt a little left out, I'm not gonna lie. So for the shorties and the thickities and the big booby girls out there, let's do this. I love this color, by the way. This is the Soleil sweater in purple. What size did I get? I got this one in medium large. Yep. Let's just make it go over our 2 humps. Okay. There's literally no stretch to this band up here, but I kind of like it. We lost some length up in here. I thought this short torso was gonna be able to do it, but I guess not. One reason why I really wanted to get this was the sweater on top. You guys know me. I love my cardigans. Good quality. It's actually pretty heavy. Stop. So cute. I'm a little insecure right now, but it's okay. If you just saw the cardigan alone, it's very like grandma-esque, right? There's no add a little spice. But because of the matching bandeau, is this a band? It's just a strapless top. Because of this matching set, it just looks so like, oh my god. Hey, it shouldn't look this small, right? I'm not gonna lie, it's a little tight. It's almost like I have 4 chesticles. The more the merrier, right? My boobies grew boobies. To be honest though, I don't think I'm gonna be that comfortable wearing this out because it's so short. Like, I mean, like pulling my leggings up, it still shows so much. So I don't know how comfortable I'll be with that, but there is no but. I don't know. It has these knot impressions on the cardigan itself and also on the top with the basic dual brown khaki buttons going up. It does come down a little further. Well, I have a short torso, so I don't know how far it's gonna go down for you. It goes pretty low for me. Okay. I'm pretty impressed with the quality. 10 out of 10. Okay, so this is the Maya corset. I got it in the size 12 because I knew that this was gonna be an issue. So far, so good. The thing with this corset is that you can adjust it at the back. And as you can tell, there's a wide spread in here because I'm a wide girl. So I appreciate how you can adjust it to your like rib size, your width, and your depth. I think this will be super flattering on any body type because it does have like this tightening corset feel right here. And you obviously have the power to tighten it up or not. But I'm not trying to pop a rib here. It's comfortable enough. I can breathe. I can let it all out. See? Oh. And the quality is nice and silky. It does have like the corset bones here, so you can literally feel the corset bones. The thing I will point out are the cups. The cups are so flat. There's literally no shape to it at all. So you don't really get to scoop your chesticles and kind of set them in place. It feels like taking 2 cardboard coasters and just pressing it against your boobies. There's just no flexibility up in here. Like how my chesticles supposed to like breathe. Regardless of that, I think it's super flattering. I do have very long chesticles, so maybe I'll try to make this work a little better. Situate myself better back here. But for the most part, I feel confident in this. Not just thin girls can rock corsets, okay? Busty girls can too. It's just don't sexualize it. We shouldn't feel like we're revealing too much. Our twins just happen to spill a little bit more over. That doesn't mean that we shouldn't be able to wear it. Next is the Wren miniskirt in Croc black or black Croc. I don't know. Oh, Crocodile? This one caught my eye because of the texture. Wow. I got the skirt in the size large because your girl gained some weight and I'm not trying to squeeze, I'm trying to be comfortable. Look! Okay, this now looks like a one piece. It has this slit right here and I pulled it up kind of high because I like it short. You can pull it down if you want to. It's actually really comfortable to my surprise. It's not stiff. There is like movement to it and like stretch. Again, Princess Polly always win with skirts because they have the cutest thigh slits. How is this slit not cute? It does kind of remind me of like my childhood tablecloth though. If you have a belly, you will see the light kind of glares onto the skirt. Really like spotlights my tummy. The tum-tum. Don't look where the light hits. I mean, if I had something in the back, maybe that would have been an issue, but it's all in the front, I guess. So that kind of is an issue, but if you really think about it, I'm like a walking spotlight. I really wanted to get this cloth. Yeah, cloth. A face towel. Okay, over the head.
Shawty,
top and I got it in size 12 again. I learned my lesson in the past. When it comes to like dainty tops like this, I have to be a little bit more mindful, not beat myself over the fact that I need to buy a size 12. It's such a freaked up mindset to have. I have to fit a size 8. It's okay if I have to upsize because the boobsticles don't allow me to always wear a size 8. And open back. I'm kind of shy. I don't know. It's like too much. Because I knew it was gonna be an open back, I had to like upsize. I want as much fabric to cover the size as possible. I guess that doesn't really matter. It's called a cowl neckline. I think it's flattering because I'm so heavy on top with this pointed hem right here. It makes my body look a little bit more hourglass when I am so far from an hourglass. Bitch, I'm an alarm clock, okay? It's super simple at the back. I'm not used to like my back exposed like this. I do have hair, so you know, it kind of helps a bit, right? I'm not wearing a bra and it feels fine. We shall not worry about boob sweat. The more I look at it, the more weird it becomes. Don't you hate that? With a cowl neckline like this, I feel like it's flattering on any chest size. This is 110% out of my comfort zone. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So this is the next top and my back is literally growing another back. I'll show you in a bit. This is the Zoha One Shoulder black top. The thin fixated strap. I love that, and I love me a good one shoulder top. It's a great simple way to spice up your wardrobe. Definitely go for a one shoulder top like this, and it's not too revealing where you see too much boobage, and plus I'm not wearing a bra because it's so tight. This is size 8, and let's just say that my chesties are literally squished like pancakes. In fact, it's so squished that I think I grew boobs at my back, just transferred over there. Like I don't know what's bigger, my chesties or my backies. Homegirl grew tits back here. It fits perfectly around the waist area because it has this texture where it's not that stretchable. You see? It kind of sucks in your tummy for you. So that's one less job you have to do. Give or take the back tip. It comes up pretty high, like it's at my collarbone. But in a way, it's like gorgeous. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I know, this top feels like dress pants. Regardless of the back tits, I give this a 10 out of 10. Before I get comments asking why I'm wearing a baby's top, I have a question why there's a zipper on the side. For what? For what? Either way, I still have to squeeze into this. This is the Arabella Set in Gray, and I think it's in the size 8 or 12. I feel like I should upsize because my boob literally are gonna execute from my body. I ain't wearing my spandex under, so it kind of gives me a camo right now. There's just too much going on underneath. For the most part, it fits fine. It actually frames my body pretty well because I am pulling it up so high. It's called hideout. Does it give me a flat ass? Yes. But does it give me a flat tummy? Yes. So you win some, you lose some. Wait, the camel toe, just like ignore. I don't know how to fix that. I can't. The camel toe. Camel toe of 2020. Thank you. Are we just like gonna ignore this? Obviously not. Almost reminds me of like a cute Kim Kardashian skin set, which I don't even know if they have this. I feel bougie or whatever. Give me and my flat ass a break. I will say the style of this top is to be short, so it's not just me taking up the space. This is a tank, but it feels like a bra. I don't think I would even feel comfortable wearing this around. When you sit, it's all gonna come up, which is completely normal. I'm just pointing out the obvious. I do love how the tank is ribbed and the sweats have this cubed design as well. I'm so short that always my sweats are bell-shaped at the bottom, looking like I'm some Jasmine, but you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with a uniformed set. There's no way you can possibly mess this up, Faye. Oh my god. I think I just found my favorite skirt ever. This is the Jeemima Grace mini skirt and it's leopard print. Wow, she's exotic and wild. This is a size 8 and I love how it's a fit and flare. So it's fitted up here, flares out on the bottom, bell shape here, but not to the extent that you look like a kindergartner. It gives you some type of shape. Remember, I'm an alarm clock, okay? I like to wear a little bit high-waisted. What's not high-waisted on a torso that's only 4 inches. Because of the flare, I don't have to be self-conscious about my flat ass. It's fully hemmed all around, so it doesn't feel too cheap. I do feel like it's a little bit overpriced, to be honest. You know? If anything, this should be like 15 bucks. It has this very shiny, silky texture to it, and I love the hint of colors. Kind of reminds me of like a penny being melted, you know? Anyone else? It has this like floral print underneath, so that adds a little bit more to the print itself. I didn't even notice that. Do you see? Okay, come through exotic. Okay, you can't go on Princess Polly without buying a dress. I feel like it's always a staple to buy a Princess Polly dress. So I went with this Moteel Kazela mini dress. It's a brocade flock gray dress. Ignore how I tie the straps. I got this in the size 12 and it's a soft velvet material. You can scrunch it up on the sides like this. It creates a very like U-line kind of shape down here. I really like this print. It kind of camouflages your tummy in a way. It's very bam in your face, but also very solid to the eye. I wish these straps you didn't have to tie because they look so funky. It would have been more simplistic if they were just normal straps. It's fine, it's fine. I'm very drawn to prints like this, but then again, I look at it and I'm like, I look like a couch, but a couch with a story. Okay, so this is the last outfit, and it's a whole ass outfit. This is the Kye set in pink, and it comes with the top like this with some shorts. Finally, shorts that don't really make me look like I have camel toes, because camel toes be making me feel
like I'm dead. I'm alive, but I'm dead.
It comes with this sweater as well, and I love this pink color. It's a very like, it's a girl. My lash is coming off. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry. I am so sorry if that disturbed you guys. What more can I say about this? You can obviously adjust it with straps if you want, and then it just kind of flares out. Now the top really doesn't have any kind of structure either. Just these two bands that hold it in place. I love the crop hoodie. So cute. People are gonna think you have your life together in this outfit when you really don't. Dress to impress. But impress who? There's literally no one for us to impress. I impress myself every day, honey. So that wraps up our try on haul. Actually, this time around, I'm really impressed. My first haul from them, I was like, cut this shit out. But this time around, I'm like, yeah. You don't have to compare yourself to beautiful size 4 models who model these clothes for us. Instead, we should look for realistic people wearing these clothes. There's nothing wrong with admiring how clothes look on size 4 models, but then the issue comes when you start comparing yourself. When I was buying all these clothes, I was like, wow, it looks so good on them. Like, yes, queen, work. Then the concern comes when I'm like, what about me though? For some reason in my mind, it's not gonna look right on my body. I can't trust the system. Like, I can't trust that I'm gonna look the same, and I don't look the same, and that's okay. That's why I make these hauls, so we can see Princess Polly outfits on normal girls. Anyway, comment down below the shop you guys want to see me debunk. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my back tits. Until next time, I'm sending you love. Bye.